Hello friends, if you'll notice the sound of water, breathe it in. It is to promote a relaxation response within you. And if you step outside and hear birds, that also promotes a relaxation response within your mind and body. So take a moment to breathe it in and exhale. See what you can relax in your body. Relax your shoulders down and your facial muscles. And see if you could breathe in the energy of peace. Breathe in peace. And out peace. Be gentle in your body. Breathe in peace. And out peace. Can you take a look around you and look through the eyes of peace at everything, every object and person, thing around you? Can you see that it is peace and you are peace, emanation? Breathe this in and take this practice into your day. Please like, subscribe, follow me on Patreon and YouTube, Celestiak Yoga. Thank you guys. I hope this was enjoyable. Namaste.